I often get asked how to make these eyes on your head pins in a neat way. Of course, it takes practice, but there's definitely some tips and tricks that I'll show you in this video. Put your bead on your head pin and put it all the way through till the end. Don't cut your head pin too big like this because you'll have too much space. Also, don't make it too small because then you don't have enough room to actually make your eye. So I usually go for just a little bit less than 1 centimeter. Then we're going to use round pliers to actually make the eye. So you can see the pliers go from thin to thick. Place your head pin not completely at the end because your eye will be too small. Also not too far back because it'll be too big. Just a few millimeters. And also the placement of your pin makes a difference. Don't put it all the way through the end like this. Also don't start here. So this looks about right, a few millimeters from each of the side, and just to let you know, this is an 8mm bead, just to give you some perspective. And now we're going to fold this over like this. And this is another important trick. When you get to this point, so it's kind of like touching the bead, you're gonna pull a little bit backwards. So you're gonna make a small bend in your head pin. And this actually makes sure that your eye is placed neatly in the center on top of your bead. So this is a very important step to actually make your eyes look nice. And then we're gonna completely fold it inwards. If the pin's not completely closed yet, you cannot be using your round pliers for closing this because it won't work. You're gonna need flat pliers to do that. And then we're gonna completely close it. And that's your eye finished.